to EET CRS Education Expo TV and 10th Science and Technology Awards 2021. I am Dr. Nandini N., Professor, Department of Environmental Science, Bangalore University. I am having a teaching and research experience of a glorious 34 years. I have been actively involved in university administrative work, like I was the Director of Student Welfare, I was the Chairman BOS, Chairman BOE, and a custodian for PG examinations. I am serving as an expert appraisal committee member for the Ministry of Environment and Forest, Government of India, and as a member of the court, Executive Council of the Central University of Hyderabad and Central University of Andhra Pradesh, Anantapur. I'm a nominated member of Biodiversity Management Committee, BBMP. I have received awards, to name a few. Was awarded with commendation from Defense Secretary, Ministry of Defense for the service rendered during 1990 Republic Day. Various other institutions have conferred awards like Fellow of National Environment Science Academy, prestigious awards of Wanakeo Baba Award, also been honored with Best Citizen of India Award, and a recipient of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award for the service rendered towards teaching and scientific research excellence. My area of specialization is in many aspects of ecology and environmental studies, limnology, solid and liquid waste management, air pollution control and its management, environmental pollution, toxicology, and urban ecology and an ecosystem services, climate change, green technology, bio-nanotechnology, environmental microbiology, aerobiology, and biodiversity. I have guided 90 PhD scholars and 6 MPhil scholars, evaluated more than 60 PhD theses of the universities across the country, published more than 100 research publications of national and international peer-reviewed journals, and 8 books related to environment. Some of the research activities are National Ambient Air Quality Monitoring Program NAM, which was funded by Central Pollution Control Board, and phase 2 of the Namma Metro, that is which is funded by Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation, BMRCL. Projects like biologically mediated corrosion and efficacy of biocides on biofilms of water distribution system in Bangalore urban district by UGC, and to name a few more projects like We Heal, training the women engineers, the queens of our country in environmental awareness, and preparing the first of its kind an urban people biodiversity register of Bangalore urban was carried out, and a preparation of the status report of Bangalore, which was also funded by EMPRI. There are a few more research that was carried out, like major research like conservation strategies for major lakes of Karnataka by EMPRI, and a green and clean technology to treat Rishabhavati River, funded by Bangalore University. assessment of groundwater quality around the rejuvenated lakes of Bangalore, funded by BDA. Green and eco-friendly technology for treating wastewater entering into wetlands of urban Bangalore and by UGC. Greenfield project work, which was given to us by some of the leading industries in Bangalore, and study of status report and an assessment of Melandur Lake by one of the funding agency, efficacy of the ordinal aerosol spray on indoor bioaerosols and endotoxins in the indoor. This is another project on Ethinole River basin, on the biological quality of the river water, and setting up of an environmental microbiology laboratory to various academies that are in Bangalore, and inventory of carbon sequestration potential in green belts of Toyota Kirloskar, and other leading industries in Bangalore, and a case study on environmental situation of some of the green spaces that are in Bangalore, like the palace grounds, the green canopies as pacemakers for the environment, and the septic tanks that are in these green spaces and the institutions, and the management of the same, and case for restoration of the lung spaces on in Bangalore, parks, the parks of Bangalore, and the bacteriological and the physicochemical analysis of biomedical effluents of the government hospitals in Bangalore, that the effluents, that the treatment aspects of the effluents submitted to the Lok Adalat, and for necessary action, and ambient noise and air pollution during Deepavali festivals and after Deepavali, and what is the impact on human health, was another research, and the audio-visual materials for environmental education to the public in collaboration with BDA, and a very important milestone is the implementation of environmental studies as a compulsory core module subject to all the undergraduate levels in Bangalore, and a book written by me to help the teachers and the students to study and bring awareness about the conservation of their natural environment, and that is this is the 12th year that 10 editions of the books were released, and it is also my aspiration to pursue the mission of promoting Swachh Bharat, and to achieve the UN Sustainable Developmental Goals, and I have also achieved some of these Swachh Bharat mission and the sustainable goals, and like from the last 10 years, like a solid waste management, giving a water purification system, and a modified eco-friendly green technology to treat the wastewater, that is generated in Bengaluru, and a sanitation drive at the world's biggest gathering at Kumbh Mela was carried out by me, and this uh, the advanced oxidation technology uh, of liquid, that was a green and clean technology implemented at the largest crowd. At least 5 crore people benefited by this sanitation drive in Kumbh Mela, and the climate change mitigation studies carried out on Bangalore urban, and uh, promoting the uh, natural farming and zero budget natural farming uh, is another priority to achieve the UN sustainable goals by 2030. So the spread of the awareness about natural farming and zero budget natural farming and integrated farming using green indigenous technologies, advanced technology in agriculture. So there's a lot of industrial collaboration that has been part of my uh, uh, activities, and so the message, my message to the young scientists, emerging researchers, and the academicians, that all of you should do your research, and for improving our country's economy, social well-being, and health of the people and the environment. Work towards achieving our sustainable goals, and uh, by 2030. So let all of us join hands together to protect our Mother Earth. Thank you.